Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. This video is gonna be very special and important for all the MCA aspirants, those who wanna pursue their career in the field of MCA, because this video is all about MCA CET versus NIMSET. If you're someone who is interested in pursuing an MCA in India, you might have heard about these two popular examinations. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at both the exams and explore their similarities and differences. We'll be discussing the key factors like eligibility criteria and selection process. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of MCA CET and NIMSET, which will help you make an informed decision. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. But before we move on, we have an important announcement to put forward that all the upcoming videos, be it notifications, updates, live sessions, live paper analysis, or workshops, will be available firstly on Manure MC Entrance channel. So kindly consider subscribing this channel for all the latest notification and updates. And if you're watching this video on Manure MC Entrance, so do subscribe this channel. And if you're watching this video on Manure Education channel, then the link for the Manure MC Entrance is in the description. Kindly check this out and consider subscribing. You can also follow us on social media such as Telegram, Instagram, Facebook. And if you want to start your preparations for the year 2024 or 25, we have launched the batches for the same. For the online and live classes, you can call our number 8828581455. For the classroom coaching, you can visit our centers Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, Thane, and we are soon coming up with a new center in Pune as well. Regardless of the batches you have joined, you will be provided with the video lectures, full length and section mock test, books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt sessions, mentorship strategies, and a lot more things. So what are you all waiting for? Just head to our numbers and book your seats right away. Now, the Maharashtra MCA CET Common Entrance Test is a state level entrance exam conducted by State Common Entrance Test Cell, which is also known as State CET Cell, for admission to Master of Computer Applications courses offered by various colleges in Maharashtra. So if you're giving the MCA CET examination, then you will be allotted the colleges in and around Maharashtra. And if we talk about NIMSET, NIMSET stands for National Institute of Technology Masters of Computer Application Common Entrance Test, which are conducted by the NITs, which is National Institute of Technologies, is a national level exam. The exam is conducted annually for admission to MCA courses in NITs located in different parts of the country. So not only NITs, but you can get admission into various private colleges as well if you're not targeting the NITs. So MCA CET is a state level exam, whereas NIMSET is a national level exam. Moving ahead, let's look at the eligibility criteria for MCA CET first. The candidates applying for the Maharashtra MCA CET must have these eligibilities. He or she must be an Indian citizen. There is no age bar. Educational qualification says to be eligible for the Maharashtra MCA CET exams, candidate must have a bachelor's degree with mathematics as a compulsory subject at the 10+2 or graduation level. The minimum percentage required for general category candidates is 50%, while for reserved category candidates it's 45%. So you have 5% of relaxation in the percentages if you are coming from the reserved category. And if we take a look at the eligibility criteria for NIMSET, then the Indian nationals securing at least 60% marks in aggregate or 6.5 CGPA on a 10-point scale, and this 60% stands for the open or general category candidates. Talking about the SC, ST and PWD category, you need to have 55% of marks or 6 CGPA in a 10-point scale. So again, you have 5% of relaxation over here. Any UG program of minimum 3 years with mathematics or statistics as one of the subjects. So you have mathematics compulsory in MCA CET as well as in the NIMSET examination. If you're coming from the BE or BTech background from any recognized university institution, you're still eligible to appear for this examination. Moving ahead, let's look at the selection process for the MCA CET. There are 6 steps overall through which you will be getting admissions into the Maharashtra based colleges for your MCA CET. The very first is application form. Candidates have to fill and submit the MCA CET application form within the specified dates. The application form includes personal details, academic details, and other required information. So you first have to fill the application form, which is available on the State CET official website. You can download the application form and you can fill and submit the application form. Then comes the admit card. Candidates who have successfully registered for the exams can download their admit card from the official website of State CET Cell. The admit card contains details such as candidate's name, roll number, exam date, and venue. Then comes your entrance exam. The MCA CET entrance is a computer-based test consisting of multiple choice questions. The exams is conducted for a duration of 90 minutes. Then your results will be declared. The MCA CET results is typically declared on the official website of State CET Cell. Candidates who have qualified in the entrance exams are eligible for the next round of the selection process. Then comes your counseling process. The counseling process for MCA CET involves document verification, choice filling, seat allotment. Candidates who have qualified in the entrance exam have to appear for the counseling process and choose their preferred institute. Last but not the least is your admission. Once the counseling process is complete, candidates who have been allotted seats have to report to the respective institute for admission and complete the admission formalities. So these 6 steps, when you follow, you get admission into any Maharashtra based MCA colleges for your MCA career. And if you look at the selection process for the NIMCET, you have 8 steps over here. The first one is registration and application through online for the test. All the eligible candidates should first register using the link provided on the website, which is the official website of NIMCET, by entering the personal email ID and personal mobile number. After submitting this information, an email will be sent to the mentioned email ID, and the candidates will see a message accordingly on the web page. And there is an important note, guys. The candidate must use only this email ID and the mobile number for all the NIMCET correspondence. So your email ID and your mobile number should be same throughout the process. Same goes with the CET form filling as well. Then the second stage is writing your NIMCET test. Eligible candidates can download their admit cards from the official website and they can appear for the examination. Then your results will be declared. Candidates satisfying qualifying criteria will be awarded a rank in NIMCET results. The results of the NIMCET will be published on their official website. The successful candidates will get an email containing the link to the website where the candidate can download the rank card. Then comes applying for counseling, choice filling, and locking. Eligible students shall be allowed to apply for counseling process. They have to first refer to the counseling section of the brochure, which is available on their official website. The choices of candidates applying for counseling will be automatically locked by the server of NIMCET. Then comes online seat allotment and online reporting. For this, you have to visit the official website of NIMCET and you have to refer to the counseling section brochure. Candidates will be offered seats based on their choices in the order of NIMCET rank. Then comes getting admitted into the allotted institute. After the third round of allotment, all the allotted candidates, either in the first 2 rounds of allotment or in the third round of allotment, are required to physically present themselves at the latest allotted institute for admission as per the schedule published by the respective NITs. So you have to be there in person, either in the first 2 rounds of allotment or in the last round of allotment. Then comes surrendering of seats by the candidates. And last but not the least is fresh choice filling and final round of allotment. After the third round of regular counseling, the vacant seats in the participating NITs will be published in the website. So you have to visit your official website of NIMCET for the vacant seats so that you can apply your fresh choices. So by following these 8 steps, you can get admission into any of the top NITs through NIMSET examination. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope this video was informative and helpful to help you find the difference between MCA CET and NIMSET examination. If you have any doubt and questions, you can write down in the comment section. We'll definitely get back to you with all your queries solved. And if you're watching this video on Manure MCA channel, then kindly consider subscribing this channel. And if you're watching this video on Manure Education, link for Manure MCA entrance channel is in the description. Kindly check the description and do subscribe the channel. And if you want to start your preparations, you can simply call our number 8828581455 for live class and online session. For classroom coaching, you can visit our centers Dadar, Borivali, Vasai and Thane. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Until then, see you in the next video.